Greetings of the day, student. In the subject of integrated marketing communication and brand management, we are going to talk about media and its classification in today's lecture. So student, media is a term we use to refer to different types of media that will provide us with a very important information and knowledge. So media has always been a part of our society. Even when people are used to paint and write to share writings to share the various information or the knowledge. As the time passed, the people come up with the different modes to provide news to the public, and based on the type of medium, their role may be different, but they all exist to communicate with the audiences and affect their perception. So today, nowadays, we don't have to travel across the oceans or wait for the pigeon to get the latest news. So we do have a lot of tools where you can learn about today's media or various products, and those are classified into the three different categories. The first category we have is print media. Then we have is broadcast media, and the last one we have is internet media. So we are going to discuss these three classification one by one. So first category we have is print media. So the print media is a news media which is used only. Print media was in 80s or 90s. That was the only single thing which is delivering information to the public in 90s and 80s. So print media was the only medium of entertainment which people do have in those days. So people relied on the customer newspapers and the magazines to learn everything, to get the knowledge from recipe to entertainment news to important information about the country or the world. So print media includes various things. The first thing we have is newspaper. So you can get this thing here. So newspaper printed and distributed on daily or the weekly basis, and they include the news relating to the sports, politics, technology, science, local news, national news. We do get international news. We will get the birth notices, as well as we get entertainment news related to fashion, related to any celebrity or the movies. So all those kind of information you will get through a newspaper. So next you have is magazines. So magazines are printed on weekly or monthly, quarterly or annual basis. It will contain information about the finance, food, lifestyle, fashion, sports, etc. Next you have is books. So books, herein we are going to discuss the books which are focused on particular topic or the subject. So it will give the reader to spread their knowledge about their favorite topic, and here you can use those books for you can integrate those media to advertise your product. Next you have is banners. So banners are used to advertise a company's services and the product. Banners are usually hung on the easily noticeable sites wherein people will get attracted and they will see your product. So people's attention, the signs which will there with easily noticeable sites, which will attract the people's attention, that is banner. Next you have is billboards. So huge advertisement which are created with the help of computers, all the graphics, and which are again those are designed for to attract the people which are passing by the billboards. So there is generally a sign which do have various information about your product. They do have a main feature about the product, that is billboards. Next you have is brochures. So brochure is a type of booklet which will include everything about a particular product or a company. So There are various cosmetic companies which do still uses this brochure thing, for example Oriflame, to advertise their product. So it will contain the product and the services, terms and condition, contact details or the address, the prices of the products, and then this will be distributed with the people, local people, or they will be handed over to the people. Next you have is flyers, which are mostly we have seen it comes with the newspaper or the magazine. They are used mostly by the small company due to, because it is the it will have a low cost of advertisement. They contain the basic information about the company, their name, logo, service or product, and contact information, and they are distributed in the public areas. The next you have is broadcast media. So broadcasting media includes videos, audios, or the written content that provide important or entertaining information which is shared by different methods. So here we have seen the three methods that you can share this information via: television, radio, and the movies. So television, in the past there were a few channels which we share various types of content, whereas now we have 100 of TV channels to choose from. So every channel delivers a different kind of content, and you have to separate a channel for, you have a separate channel for news, you have a separate channel for drama, you will get a separate channel for sports, animation, nature, travel, politics, cartoon, and religion. So you have a special categories of channel in each and every of your interest topics. So it is a number one broadcasting media due to the because it's reach to the audience. So everyone has a television nowadays, and that is why its reach of the audience is very huge, and that is why it is the topmost broadcasting media. The next we have is radio. So here what we do is we uses the radio waves to transmit the entertaining, informative, and educative content to the public. So again, due to its high reach to the audiences, radio is widely used for advertising products and services. So radio is one of the oldest means of entertainment, and today people often hear to find out the weather or traffic and the traffic while communicating. The next broadcasting media you have is movies. So film, motion picture, or the screenplay, or the moving picture, or the movie has a worldwide reach ability, and it is the best type of mass media to promote the culture or to spread the social awareness. So movies always played a huge part in the entertainment world, and therein you can advertise your product to reach to the worldwide people. The next category you have is internet media. So in internet media nowadays we are relying on the internet more to get the news or a lot more information or the knowledge about particular topic. So website provides the information in the form of video, text, and audio. So we can even choose the way we want to receive the news. Type of internet media include, the first one we have is social networks or the website. So here we are talking about the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, etc. So they are very user friendly and widely used by the people around the world. And although we can find any news here, and sometimes it will we will be getting some misleading news also, because of there is lack of regulation on the content which we have shared in the social media. The next form we have is online forums. So these are the online places where we can comment or message or discuss a particular topic. So forum will allow us to share the knowledge with other people with the same interest. So that is why it is regarded as the best platform to seek the support and assistance also. The next you have is podcast. So podcast is nothing but a series of audios focus on particular topic or the theme. So we can listen to them on a computer, on a mobile phone, and it is a platform that will allow anyone to share their knowledge and communicate with the world. So that's it for today's lecture. Until next lecture, stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel of GS College of Commerce for the e-learning. Thank you.